In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum a column in Notion. This is one of those simple but powerful features that can instantly turn a basic table into something much more useful. Whether you are tracking expenses, counting items, or totaling scores, knowing how to calculate a column will help you manage your data more clearly and confidently. To begin, open the Notion page where you want your table to live. Click anywhere on the page to place your cursor, then type /table. From the menu that appears, choose the table option that fits your needs. For this example, a simple table view works perfectly. Once the table is created, you will see a few default columns ready to be customized. Next, focus on adding a column specifically for numbers. At the top of the table, click Add Property. From the list of property types, select Number. This tells Notion that this column will be used for calculations. After selecting it, you can rename the column if you want, so it clearly represents what the numbers stand for, such as totals, prices, or scores. Now start entering the numbers you want to add together. Click into each row under the number column and type in your values. If you find that you need more rows, scroll to the bottom of the table and click New Page to add additional rows. You can keep adding as many rows as you need until all your numbers are in place. Once you are finished entering your data, it is time to calculate the total. Move your cursor to the very top of the number column where you see the column name. Right-click on it and choose Calculate. From there, select More options if needed, then choose Sum. As soon as you do this, Notion will automatically add up all the numbers in that column and display the total at the bottom. This total updates in real time, which means if you change any number in the column, the sum will adjust instantly. This makes it incredibly useful for ongoing tracking, budgeting, or monitoring progress without having to redo any math manually. Take a moment to review the result and make sure everything looks correct. If something seems off, double-check the numbers you entered or confirm that the column type is set to number. Once everything checks out, your table is ready to use. And that is all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can sum a column in Notion and make your tables far more informative. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.